So I'm going to do a quick tutorial of how you can drive a Tesla. So if you don't have your phone connected, you can just put your key card in here, press the brake, and the car is drivable. Put it in drive. So Tesla is kind of like Apple, so everything is reversed. So this is the brake pedal and this is the accelerator. So when I press the accelerator, you can see that the car will move forward. And if you want to brake, you just press the brake pedal and the car will come to a stop. The same goes with the steering wheel. So if I want to take a right turning, all I gotta do is turn my steering wheel to the left and I can take a right turn. And if I want to go left, all I gotta do is turn it to the right and it'll turn left.
Did you guys know if you put your car on P, your car will not move? But if you put your car on D, your car begins to move forward? That is because D on your car means drive.